Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel Learn English with Manpreet. Let's start with today's topic. So what's the topic of today? Today's topic is direct and indirect speech. In this we are going to study about the direct speech, about the indirect speech, difference between both of them, examples of structure and many more. So let's get started. First one, direct speech. When we repeat the speaker's exact words, that comes under the direct speech. So that is why we use quotation marks when the speaker says something. In between we write this speaker's words. Like Ram said. Who said? Ram said. What he said now? I am happy. We use quotation marks to write this. I am happy because these are the exact words that are spoken by Ram. Now the words inside the quotation marks are the exact words spoken. What is the structure of this? Reporting verb plus comma. This is the reporting verb plus comma plus reported speech. This is the reported speech. Like, let's see some more examples. She said, I live in Delhi. What she said? I live in Delhi means she lives in Delhi. Ria said, I am happy. Now let's learn about the indirect speech. Now what do you mean by indirect speech? It reports the meaning of what someone said. Means if you're saying something, I am telling it to someone with your meaning that you said this. I am saying this to other person like this. It does not tell exact words. When you say something to me, I am convincing it or conveying it to other person. So I am not using the exact words that you are using it with me. So this is the indirect speech. No exact words, so no quotation marks in this. There will be no quotation marks in indirect speech. For example, Ria said that she was happy. The teacher asked me what my name was. So these two were the examples of indirect speech. Now you all know there are 4 types of sentences. Now one by one we'll be doing the 4 types of sentences with this direct and indirect speech. So first one is the statement, or we can say the assertive sentences. Now how to change these sentences into direct to indirect? Let's see how. Use that when changing to indirect speech. Means comma will be replaced with that. This comma, when we use comma, na Ria said comma, I am happy. That speech we said this. So comma, I am happy. Now comma will be replaced with that. Let's see how. She said comma, I like music. Now she said comma is replaced to that. She liked music. She liked music. Now we'll see more into interrogative sentences and more. Let's see how to change the questions direct speech into questions indirect speech. Remove question mark. First of all, remove the question mark. Then word order becomes normal. Subject plus verb. Use if. When the questions are in yes or no form, we have to use what? If. Like this. For example, in like this, he asked, are you coming? Means my answer will be in yes or no. So what I'll answer? He asked if I was coming. So this question will be changed into this type of question when we have to convert from direct speech to indirect speech. Use question words, WH words directly. She asked, where do you live? This is direct speech. We can always compare between direct and indirect speech. In direct speech, comma and quotation marks will be there. In indirect speech, no comma, nothing, and no quotation mark will be there. So she asked, we have to use WH word. So I am using where I lived. Now for the commands and the request, if we are going to make, use to plus verb for orders or request. See, this is the direct speech. She said, please help me. Direct speech, quotation marks are there. Now she requested me to help her. When I have to change into indirect speech, so what I am saying, she requested me, because this is the form of the commands and the request. This was the request. So now this is then order. For this direct speech, he said, open the door. Now in indirect speech, what I'll say, he ordered me to open the door. The fourth and the last one will be for the exclamatory sentences. Let's see how to change the exclamatory sentences from direct to indirect. We all know that the exclamatory sentences are used when we have to express ourselves. It shows the feelings, our expressions. The expression might be happy, sad, that all come under the exclamatory sentences. So change the tone to words. Tone, why I'm writing here tone? Because these sentences expresses feelings only. That's why I'm writing here over tone. To words like, this tone will be changed to words like exclaimed, wished, cried, shouted. That's why I'm saying the expressions, the feelings can be happy, sad, or in a moody way. These are all the moods. For example, let's see, this is the first direct speech. She said, what a beautiful place. She said, comma, quotation mark, what a beautiful place. She expresses that, wow, it's a beautiful place. Always remember, this end with an exclamatory mark like this. Now I'll change this to a indirect speech. Let's see. She exclaimed that it was a beautiful place. She exclaimed. This word I have used over here, and we have changed from said to exclaimed that it was a beautiful place. So this was all for direct and indirect speech with the examples, with the sentences, how to convert. Now please go through the video and clear your doubts. Thank you so much.